Why is my HVAC disconnect switch hot? It usually means the switch, wiring, or connection is overloaded, loose, or failing, and it needs to be checked right away. A disconnect switch is the shutoff box near your outdoor heating and cooling unit, and it is supposed to stay close to the same temperature as the air around it. When it feels hot, that heat is often coming from electrical resistance, which means electricity is having a harder time passing through than it should. Loose screws, worn contacts, corrosion, or a breaker that is not feeding power correctly can all make that happen. Sometimes the problem is not even the switch itself, but the wire ends inside the box that are not clamped tightly enough. A small amount of heat can grow into a dangerous problem because electricity likes the easiest path, and when that path gets rough, heat builds up fast. One thing people do not always know is that a hot disconnect can also be a sign of a bigger issue inside the outdoor unit, like a failing capacitor or compressor drawing too much current. If the plastic looks discolored, smells burnt, or the area feels too hot to touch for more than a second, that is a serious warning sign. The safest action is to turn off power to the unit at the breaker and have a licensed electrician or heating and cooling technician inspect it. A common mistake is ignoring warmth because the system still runs, but heat is a clue that something is stressing the wiring. Another mistake is opening the box without turning off power first, which can be very dangerous even if the switch looks simple. A lot of people also assume the switch itself is bad when the real problem is a loose wire, so the right fix starts with a careful inspection of the connections. If the issue returns after tightening or replacing a part, stop using the unit until it is tested again. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.